When you search for self-cleaning cat litter boxes, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to understand what really works for you and your cat, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box caught my attention right away. Priced at $199.96, it stands out as a bestseller with a solid 4.2-star rating from nearly 3,000 reviews. If you want a reliable solution that prioritizes your cat's safety while keeping your home clean, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This litter box uses advanced sensors to detect when your cat is nearby, pausing the cleaning cycle to ensure their safety. It can accommodate cats weighing between 2.2 to 33 pounds, and its 95L drum capacity means it can handle multiple cats without needing constant emptying. Plus, the whisper-quiet operation ensures that late-night trips to the box won't disturb your sleep. With a 15L waste bin that lasts up to 15 days, it's perfect for those long trips away, giving you peace of mind while you're gone. Now, some people complain that the app control can be finicky, especially if you have a busy Wi-Fi network. Here's the thing though, if you're not reliant on app features, this is still a fantastic choice for simple, effective cleaning. This is perfect for you if you have a single cat or a few cats and need a reliable, low-maintenance litter box. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced tech features and have a larger budget. Now, if the app issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter Box. Next up is the Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter Box, priced at $249.99 and also holding a 4.2-star rating with over 2,400 reviews. This one really shines if you're in a multi-cat household. If you want a self-cleaning box that's smart and safe, it's worth checking out. This means you can confidently leave it running without worrying about accidents. The 95L litter drum and 15L waste compartment make it a perfect fit for busy homes. It can last several days without needing attention. Plus, the eco-friendly reusable liner helps cut down on waste over time, which is a nice touch for the environment. The ultra-quiet mode is a bonus for households with sleeping pets. Now, some users have mentioned that the instructions for setting up the app could be clearer. But honestly, once you get it going, the convenience of remote management is hard to beat. This is ideal for busy families with multiple cats and those who want to simplify their daily cleaning routine. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional, non-tech approach. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more spacious setup. Product number 3, PARUNTYS Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The PARUNTYS Self-Cleaning Litter Box is priced at $126.53 and has a 4-star rating from over 1,900 reviews. This one's intriguing if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. If you want a reliable litter box without breaking the bank, this might be the one for you. One of the standout features is its open-top design, giving your cat a comfortable and spacious entrance that many cats prefer. It includes 7 safety sensors that quickly pause the cleaning cycle if your cat approaches, so you can rest easy. The 15L waste bin is also designed to lock in odors, which is a big plus for keeping your home fresh. You can even manage everything through an app, making it convenient to monitor your cat's litter habits from afar. However, some users found that the open design can lead to litter being kicked out more easily, which can be a hassle. But if your cat loves a little extra space, it might be worth it despite the mess. This is perfect for budget-conscious cat owners who want a simple, effective solution. Skip this one if you have a particularly messy cat or prefer a closed design. Now, if you're looking for a setup with more advanced features, the next product has some serious upgrades. Product number 4, Elenpint Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Next on the list is the Elenpint Automatic Litter Box, priced at $219.99 with a 4.2-star rating from 1,300 reviews. If you want a self-cleaning box that keeps odors at bay while providing real-time insights, this one might catch your eye. The Elenpint is designed for easy use. It activates cleaning just 2 minutes after your cat exits. The Double Defense Odor Control System is impressive, featuring an integrated ABS material that prevents leaks while trapping odors effectively. The app lets you monitor your cat's bathroom habits, offering useful health insights you may not have thought about. Some users mention that the app connection can be a bit slow at times. But I'll be real with you, the features and benefits are well worth a little wait. This is great for tech-savvy owners who want to keep tabs on their pet's health and cleanliness. Skip this if you're not interested in app features or prefer a straightforward solution. Now, if you're looking for the top-tier choice, the next product might just be the pinnacle of self-cleaning litter boxes. Product number 5, Nicasa M1 Plus Open-Top Litter Box. The last option is the Nicasa M1 Plus, priced at $399.99 and boasting a 4-star rating from 3,600 reviews. If you want the best of the best for your cat, this one's worth considering. With a 360-degree safety sensor system, this litter box provides enhanced safety by tracking your cat's movements in and around the box. The open-top design aligns with natural instincts, making it more comfortable for larger cats or those transitioning from traditional boxes. Its waste bin lasts up to 14 days, which means less maintenance for busy owners. Plus, the smart app control allows you to track activity and adjust settings from anywhere. However, the price point might be a turnoff for some. But if you want a premium product that truly caters to your cat's needs, it could be worth the investment. This is perfect for cat parents who can spend a bit more for the best features and safety. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or need something more basic. So there you have it. The Cumrige is great for reliability, the Fumoy excels for multiple cats, the Paruntys is budget-friendly, the Ellenpint offers health insights, and the Nicasa is for those who want top-tier features. Whatever you choose, a self-cleaning litter box can save you time and hassle while keeping your furry friend happy.